This is the 2015 Subaru Legacy, the Boxster 4-cylinder, and we're going to replace the belt. I'll show you how to do that real quick. First, you're going to need the 10mm. You're going to take this bolt off here, put that in a safe spot. We'll take this plastic cover off, pops right off, put it in a safe spot. Then you're going to look for your tension pulley here for your belt. So once you get that, you'll need a 15. Put that on there. You'll see there's an arrow, tell you which way to go. So you put your strength and go that direction. Get a good bite on it. Once you do that, it will release the tension on the belt. As you can see, it's loose. Then you can take it off, slide it right off of there, and get it replaced. So there you go. And this one's starting to get old. You'll start to tell when it's old. It'll start to fracture. Actually, like this one in little cracks. The edges will start to fray. So, all right, and that's how that goes. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification, put some comments at the bottom. Let us know how it goes, if it's easy or simple or hard for you. And the hardest part is make sure you got the right tool and then having the strength to pull this back. So if you got someone to help, that makes it that much easier. Or if you have a bigger wrench, one that's longer, it'll give you more strength in that. So all right, until the next video, we are out of here. Later. Peace.